stay tuned. It's about to come up.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Welcome
sir.
to In the Loop. This is In the
Look.
Loop at Dave's Clubhouse, and we're
Yeah.
about to drop it like it's hot with Absolute and
Yeah.
Dre Fire. They're gonna do a minute of fire with you guys, so
Yeah.
tune in right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Where the beat? We gonna go acapella?
No, I'm however,
It don't
however.
matter.
It don't
It
matter.
don't matter.
Go ahead and get it started off.
All right.
I'm gonna do whatever. I freestyles. That's what I do.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
We gonna keep it PG
Oh
for
yeah.
the for the
For the youngins.
for the 13 and under.
Yeah. Yeah.
We gonna do this old school. You ready? Let's go.
Oh. 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 Uh.
Mike.
He got some.
He got some music for. I thought we was about to straight do it old school with the
Right.
beatboxing, and we was gonna swap out.
All right.
Hold on, we about to do it like this. We letting the beat. Hold on, we trying to find the beat.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That echo's kind
Uh,
of cool though.
All
Ah,
right.
Dre Fire, Absolute.
All right.
We ain't talking about the
Yeah.
vodka,
Nah.
but you know we'll cop ya,
Let me
and
go
you
ahead.
know fire stop ya. I just, yeah, we
Oh,
just
it's
clouded.
cool?
We just
Oh,
clouded.
okay.
We just clouded. We just feeling the beat.
Yeah, trying to find it.
Ah,
Yeah, we
ah.
trying to find it.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
start y'all
Yeah.
off and let
Go
the
ahead.
professionals finish it last.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna let y'all.
5,000 about the 5,000 rarely do this,
Right.
but he about to get it on the mic and do this.
But they inspire me, so sometimes I do it because they
Yes.
inspire me.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm about to jump on this mic on Free Comic Day. They call me Mike. 5,000 watts in your spot. I'm on the mic. Ignite it, give it like Dre Fire. About to fire you up and hit your cats like Desire, like you just with up. I don't even know, but I'm about to spit the flow like I flow like Superman, like the blood just flow through my bloodstream. Cause I'm real mean, got a gangster lean. I'm about to bring it back like I shimmer and sheen. Back when I had curly hair, didn't give a care. Thor's hammer about to come down with not a fair. Drop it on down and throw it on around and bring it to the ground. We about to pass around.
Oh, pass it around. Pass it around. See, yo, yes, this is the town. They call me Absolute. You know what it do. You know who it is. I ain't talking about no kids. I'm a grown man. Stay in your place, and you're.
Oh, stay in your place. We at, yeah. Listen, fees. I'm going in. Listen, I'm at Dave's Clubhouse up on Bryce Road. They see me, they said, look at them nice clothes. He is dressed in a Dre Fire suit, and you already know, yeah, it's a full costume. Holla at your boy, come up and get a free comic book, and then take a picture and fees, and you can get a look. Yeah, we got the posters, we got them comics. Everybody know he's fire, man. You know I'm gonna drop it. You know you can't stop it, cause I'm like hot. Shot, but I'm gonna keep it like that on the block. We got K Scholar in the back, 5,000 all in, Iron Man hat, or should I say helmet? You already know we felt it, cause you know we coming and you know we is so stealthy. Yeah, cause we spitting so raw dog and letting everybody he coming with the Wolverine claws. And he is just beating up the block, and you already know, repping that hot shot, that freestyle comics studio for hire with Dre Fire. Is no one else better.
No one else better.
No.
No one else clever.
Ever.
The beat's still going.
The
You know
beat's
we
still
still
going.
chosen. Yeah, we chosen. We leaving y'all frozen, feeling like Sub-Zero. But they call me the hero like J Fire. And you know it's my desire to rock this mic proper. You can't even stop it. No hot topics. This ain't that. I'm trying to catch the beat, so the beat kind of
Yeah.
slow. But I'ma keep on going. No radios, but this is TV. We on that Ustream, and you know who I be. Oh, they call me Absolute, and the flow is mean. Yeah, you gotta get it, cause you can play it for the teens and the older cats too. You know how we do, cause it's just us rapping. We just like, who's you? Cause
Who is you?
Who is you to mess with me? You're ridicule. Lyrically, I will just abuse and use you like a tool and bring it like the hammer. I'm about to put it on down like they put the wham and bam effect with the flow direct. We got the Free Comic Day coming to you direct. We got Hot Shot, Sweet Lullaby to death. And what else? Guess what? We got nothing left. Cause we so on out without a doubt. FSK's on day all. I messed up.
That was 5,000
Yeah,
killing
yeah,
it.
yeah,
My
yeah.
man, Absolute, man.
Yeah,
Dre
yeah, Dre
Fees, man. You already know, man. We just
Yeah.
clowning, having a good time.
Yeah,
The
enjoying
beats.
life.
going in and out. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to. They done hog the beat on me. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to jump in. I did want to jump in that one because that was a kind of a little nice little up tempo beat. You know what I'm saying? So.
Oh, is it done?
She give me inspiration.
Right. But we doing it like that though.